Hello and welcome back to a Mangley Town unboxing. Today I have for you a Bachmann Plus 46 IXION and RTC livery. I must admit this is quite a rare one for me. There's a few liveries I collect like RTC, but I tend not to go for that many locos. As long as I've got one or two that I can run the amount of coaches or other rolling stock that I've got, I'm normally happy. I'm not after collecting one of every single loco in that livery. But if I did, RTC would be one of the first ones, so that's why I got this one. Normally it had been quite expensive to find second hand, but I found this one at a bargain, so I just couldn't say no, so I had to get it. It is Bachmann model number 32700Z, so class 46 IXION, numbered 97403, and was an exclusive for Model Zone years ago. So we'll pop her out and we'll take a look. And this was a limited edition one for Model Zone, so this is number 570 of 750 made. This has also got couplings in the box as well. Doesn't appear to be any other detail pack. I don't know if there should be or not. But again, nice crisp livery, plenty of detail from Bachmann. We'll find out when I get it on the test track if the motors run or not. This is DCC ready. Only problem is, as I've had a bit of a hiatus from actually being able to run locos, I've forgotten on a lot of them if I actually put a decoder in them or not. I think in the most cases most of them haven't, so this should still have its blanking chip in. Plus generally I've got the blanking chip with the loco in the box if I have done that. So as the test layout is normally just a straight DC, any of these I've got should run straight on that. So we'll pop on the track and we'll see what it looks like. And here we have our nice weighty one on the layout. And again, nice slow controls on it. Being a Bachmann and a lot newer than a lot of the locos I've got. See if we can get it passed quickly as well. So I've still got a pretty sprightly turner fit to it. So let's dive on in. So that has got some nice detail on it. All the grills and the handrails as well. As well as all the other piping, etc. And as I said, I don't collect too many locos of the liveries I collect, but I've built up quite a bit of RTC rolling stock that I needed more than just one. And also, if I ever have the money, it will also be one of the first liveries where I do try and get all the locos that have been out there. But if you're thinking of getting this, I hope you would like to look at that and it's been helpful, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.